Hi, Mr. Bachchan. This is Mamta.
Hello, Mamta. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, Mr. Bachchan. I'm actually from a radio station called EBC Radio.
Right.
They are based out of New Jersey. And we have spoken with you a couple of times in the past.
Right.
But मेरे साथ ये problem है, Mr. Bachchan, कि every time I have spoken with you, I have a bad sore throat. तो
I have a similar one in sympathy to yours.
Oh, yeah, you know what? मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ कि I look forward to talking to you, पर फिर बुरा हाल हो जाता है गले का. But then it is absolutely a pleasure.
Thank you.
Last time we spoke, Mr. Bachchan, when you were promoting Pa, and I actually interviewed you when you were speaking in the voice of Oro.
Right.
So it was a desire to talk to you in your own voice. So, but before we go any further, Mr. Bachchan, I want to tell you an incident. Because I'm a radio host, so in 2003, I was hosting a show on a Saturday or a Sunday. It was a weekend or a Friday. I'm not too sure. One of those days afternoon, we were hosting a show and I was playing Madhushala.
Okay.
We were playing like a couple of lines of Madhushala, and during Madhushala or any of those kind of work when we play on air, we don't talk, we don't disturb. तो वो चल रहा था and तभी we get a call from a listener saying that did you guys know that Dr. Harivansh Rai Bachchan passed away? Mr. Bachchan, that moment I cannot explain you because it was just a coincidence. I had not played that for years. और अचानक ही मैंने बजाया and that's when I got a call. Yeah, this is something that always be a memory. So I just wanted to narrate this to you that you and your family is very close to our hearts.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. So the listeners of EBC Radio, it is not a surprise. It is actually a very big, pleasant surprise. We have Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, the legend. I mean, I can go on and on, but I'm just going to say somebody that we love to respect is on air today, promoting and doing whatever we could do for his upcoming movie, Buddha Hoga Tera Baap. So how are you doing, Mr. Bachchan?
Thank you for having me, Mamta, and such a pleasure to be able to talk to you again. Fine. As you rightly said, we are now in the final throes of promoting our film, Buddha Hoga Tera Baap. And I hope that all your listeners that listen in will go out and see this film. It's releasing on the 1st of July.
Mr. Bachchan, for me, it's a big treat because in next 2 days is going to be my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday in advance.
Thank you. तो फिर आपसे बात हो गई मेरे बर्थडे पे तो फिर तो मजा आ गया.
नहीं, ये तो आपको आपके जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं, आने वाले जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं.
Thank you so much. Now, Mr. Bachchan, before we get to Buddha Hoga Tera Baap, 2 or 3 questions, very casual, they are from the listeners. How would you judge yourself, Mr. Bachchan? For us, it is difficult. I mean, we should not even think about that. How would you judge yourself?
अब आपके लिए इतना मुश्किल है तो सोचिए हमारे लिए कितना मुश्किल होगा. How can one judge oneself? It's really an impossibility. But I'm just very humbled and graciously acknowledge all the love and affection that comes from fans and people like you who continue to be with me, see my films. It's been 42 years almost in the film industry, and there's never been a moment when my fans and well-wishers have been too far away from me. I'm grateful for that.
4 national awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan. And so much love, accolades, appreciation. What next?
I don't know. I don't work for these awards. Neither do I work for any kind of recognition. My recognition comes from the people who go and see my films. And they are my biggest asset. And they are my greatest award. I hope that I can continue to work and please them and bring them entertainment and happiness and joy. Because when they are happy, I am happy. And no reward or any kind of award can match up to the appreciation that I get from the audiences.
Well, Mr. Bachchan, AB Corp has again resurrected with the success of Pa and 4 national awards for the movie. How do you feel? I honestly feel it is a success of AB Corp, but it is a success of Abhishek Bachchan also.
Yeah, Abhishek has been very instrumental in looking at some of the business side of the company and making the right choices, controlling the budgets, making films which we feel should be made within controlled budgets and therefore get into profitability. We made Pa in a budget of 15 crore rupees, and we are making Buddha in 10 crore rupees. and we've already sold our satellite rights for almost 13.5 crores, so our costs are covered. All these are very beneficial when you're looking at commercial prospects for a film, and it makes us breathe a lot easier just before the release, because at least we know that our costs have been covered.
That's correct. Well, yeah, so congratulations on that note. There is a listener, his name is Hitesh Kshatriya. He had a question for you, and the question was, what are the lessons learned in your acting tenure in the entire journey that you have had so far?
Oh gosh, every day is a challenge. I think one must never be complacent with whatever one does. As a creative person, you must never be satisfied, because I think that the day you get satisfied, you might as well stop being an artist. We must constantly be striving to improve on our past, and every day, as I said, should be looked upon as a new challenge. Continue to work, because no matter where you are or no matter what position you're in, there will always be something that will be new to you, something fresh that you will have to learn, and we must be on the lookout for that.
Also, he's saying that, outside your family, is there anyone that has had a positive influence on you?
Well, I've relied on the association, the love and affection from my parents, and they have been the largest and the greatest influence in my life. I've never had opportunity to look outside, so it will be very difficult to name anyone or any one person which will fill in that gap that I feel it belongs really to my parents.
All right. And Mr. Bachchan, just on a funny note, मैं जब shows करती हूँ तो एक tagline से it's a sort of a brand जो people know me, ममता जिसको कुछ नहीं जमता.
ममता जिसको कुछ नहीं जमता.
हाँ, तो जब शो शुरू होते हैं तो फिर ये पिछले 11 साल से ऐसे ही चल रहा है कि when I open the show I say ममता जिसको कुछ नहीं जमता. So मैं आपकी आवाज में कुछ सुनना चाहती हूँ ममता जिसको कुछ नहीं जमता के लिए.
जी, ममता जिसको कुछ नहीं जमता, ये तो एक बहुत तुच्छ बात हो गई. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप जो भी कहती हैं वो सब कुछ जमता है.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Bachchan. Now let's get to Buddha Hoga Tera Baap. So Buddha Hoga Tera Baap, matlab the title itself is so funny.
Yeah, it's a very oft repeated phrase. Sometimes said in jokes, sometimes said when you want to shut the other person up, or it's not meant in a rude manner. It's neither demeaning, but it's a fun remark, and the story has been constructed well, keeping Buddha in mind. It's the story of a man of my age who is an ex-gangster living outside the country. He's been called back to Mumbai to complete a mission, and how he goes about it, what happens to it, is what the film is really about. We have Hema Malini ji playing opposite me. We have Raveena Tandon there as well in an important role. We have Sonu Sood, we have Sonal Chauhan, and a lovely actress from the Telugu cinema called Chami. We have music by Vishal Shekhar, and I have sung 3 songs in the film. One is a favorite of mine called Hale Dil, which has been it's a lot of melody, very melodious, soft song. That's the theme song of Hemaji and myself. We have a nice racy number, which is the theme for Raveena. It's called Main Chandigarh Di Star. And I've also sung some of my old favorite songs which became very popular in the form of a medley, and given them a club beat. That's quite interesting. It's there in the film. And by and large, have had a wonderful time working with Puri Jagannath, who's a Telugu film director, making a Hindi film for the first time. He did the original film called Pokhri, which was remade into Wanted, which Salman did. He's a wonderful human being, very well organized, very well planned, finished the film in almost 2 months, and within the next 2 months we're releasing it, so it's been very rapid and very quick.
So I guess Mr. Bachchan, there is a question that I'm sure everybody must have asked you. So 70s ka Vijay and now, aaj ka Vijay, what's the difference?
और बढ़ गई है और क्या है?
पर उस समय तो वो
चीजें हैं जो कि उस जमाने की फिल्मों की याद शायद आपको दिलवाए। जिस तरह से इसका एटीट्यूड है, ये बहुत ही एक फ्लैम्बॉयंट कैरेक्टर है, थोड़ी सी अकड़ है उसके अंदर, और जो भी उसे बुड्ढा कहता है उसके ऊपर ये चढ़ बैठता है। बट बाय एंड लार्ज he has a past. There is a past story of his. There is an emotional track also in the film. So by and large, a good, entertaining Hindi commercial film.
और सो आपको लगता है बुढ़े हो गए?
नहीं, मुझे तो नहीं लगता।
तो आपको बोलना चाहिए ना बुढ़ा हो गया तेरा बाप।
नहीं, मैं जब कोई बोलेगा मुझे तो मैं कहूंगा ना उसको।
अच्छा।